This video is intended to help people learn how to use Eventbrite to register for the COVID-19 vaccine. Please note that not all states and counties are using Eventbrite for COVID-19 vaccine appointments. It is best to find out how to register for your appointment by clicking a link provided by a reliable source, such as your local healthcare department or a healthcare provider. This will ensure you are on the correct registration page. Once you are on the correct registration page, click a green button that says Tickets or Register, or an orange button that says Select Date on the right-hand side of the page. We will explain how to register based on the color of button you see on the page. If the appointments are completely filled, the button is removed and it will say Sold Out in light gray. If you see a green button, it will bring you to a page where you will see appointment times. Select the available time that is best for you, then click the orange Register button. If you see an orange button, it brings you to a screen to select the date and possibly the time available for appointments. You can use the filter button to pick your preferred date on a calendar or scroll through a list of all the date options. Then you click the orange Tickets button next to the preferred date. This will bring up a list of available times or just one ticket if the time is already selected in the prior step. Use the drop-down button next to your preferred time to select the number of appointments you are making and click the orange Register button below. To complete your registration, enter information in all required fields marked with a red star. First name, last name, and email will always be required, and you may be asked to provide additional information as well. Now click the orange Register button and you have secured an appointment. When registration opens, there will likely be a large number of people attempting to register at the same time. If you are not taken to the order form right away, hold tight. This means that several people have started registering but have not finished the registration, and you have been placed in a virtual waiting room. If someone does not finish registering for an appointment, the appointment will be made available to the person next in line in the waiting room. To keep your place in the virtual line, stay on the waiting room page and do not refresh your browser. Please note that if you are placed in a waiting room, you most likely will not get an appointment this round of registrations. If the event is sold out, we recommend contacting your local health department to inquire about other options, and more information should be found on their website as well. You can also follow the organizer at the bottom of the event page, and you will receive an email when new registration pages are added. Or you can contact the organizer with any questions. To contact them through Eventbrite, scroll down to the organizer profile and click where it says Contact. Below some common questions, you click Contact the Organizer again and add your name and email, select a reason, and fill in your question in the text box. This will send the organizer an email with your question. When you have completed your registration, you should receive an order confirmation email from Eventbrite with your registration details. There should be information in the confirmation letting you know what you need to bring to your appointment. If not, check their website. You will also see the option to download the Eventbrite app to access your ticket. It is optional and not required, but can be helpful if you like to use apps. If you do not see an email from Eventbrite, search your inbox for an email from orders@eventbrite.com and be sure to check your spam or junk folders. If you cannot find it there, contact the healthcare provider who is managing the registrations. They can locate your registration by the name you entered when you registered. You can also view your registration by logging on to Eventbrite with the email address you used to register. Click Sign In on the top right of eventbrite.com, enter the email address you used to register, click Get Started, and enter your password. Once logged in, select your account on the top right of your page and then click Tickets from the drop-down menu. Click the event name to view your registration details and print tickets. If you do not see the Print Ticket button, check your confirmation email to see if you need to bring anything specific to your appointment. If you need to cancel your appointment, you will click Cancel Order. And that's all it takes to register. Thanks for watching. For more help with vaccine registrations, visit our blog.